Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on AMP token. Today I want to show you how the price action of AMP has completed a very big bullish reversal harmonic move. Before this, I shared this idea with you on this is the current idea. Let me show you the previous one and then I'll take you to the current idea, and I'll also share the complete buying and sell targets for the current trading plan as well. So this was my previous chart that I shared on 26th of March at the Patreon. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me there, then I've also shared the link in the video's description you can find there. Okay, you can see that I shared this chart on 26th of March and the price action completed this final leg of the bullish cipher on the 2-day chart. And at that time, the price line was moving at 2.5 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price action first rallied at 7.6 cents. That was more than 200%, and then rallied up to 12% in the month of June. Despite the bearish market, the AMP token is very strong bullish. It was very strong bullish from May to June. And now again, the price line has completed another harmonic bullish reversal, a cipher pattern on the weekly time frame chart. This time, the pattern is bigger than the previous one. And you can see that the price line is completing the final leg. And after some more drop, we can expect that from this potential reversals on, it will start a very big rally to the upside. I'll definitely show you this pattern. First of all, I want to show you this move. This is really amazing move. You can see that this is 10th of May, and this is the weekly time frame candlestick, and this is the Bitcoin chart, and this is the AMP token chart. And you can see on 10th of May, the price line was moving down. The AMP token was also moving down, and the candlestick when started the weekly candlestick on 10th of May, and after that, this candlestick was started on 17th of May. You can watch the dates here. Okay, this next candlestick was on 17th of May. Price line was bearish, and the Bitcoin was 17th of May. This candlestick was started on the 17th of May. The price line of Bitcoin was also bearish. But after that, the price line of Bitcoin was moving sideways. And look at the AMP chart. It surged more than 380%. Now, if we watch the daily time frame chart, then here we have the different support and resistance levels. Here we had the support at 2.5 cents, and you can see that the price action used this support very well and bounced by the support. And after finding the resistance here at 11.5 cents, even though the price line rallied up to 12 cents, but here we have more touches, therefore the resistance is at 11.5, and it is moved down and again moving sideways here above 5.2 cents support level. Now after 2.5, we have the next that was previously working as a resistance at 4 cents. Now it is a support, and the price line at this time is moving above the 5.2 cent support level. Then we have the next resistance here at 6.2. Then we have the next resistance at 7.5. Then we have the minor resistance here approximately at 9.5. However, this is very minor resistance, very weak resistance, and from 7.5 to 11.5, we don't have any significant strong resistance that can stop the price action once the price action manages to cross up this 7.5 cents resistance level. And at the same time, we can see on the long time period, on the weekly time frame, the price action has formed this broadening formation, and here you can see that it is forming the higher highs, and now it is moving down to this support again to have another bounce by the support of the broadening formation. And there is a gap between the support of this broadening formation and the price action, and you can see that the price line since 8th of Feb, the price line is using this support very well, and again it is getting bounced and forming the higher than the previous highs. And once the price action will be bounced by this support again, I'm expecting that it will form another higher than the previous high. Now here I would like to finalize the video and share the targets with you, and here we can see that the price line has formed this bullish cipher, and there is some gap between the buying zone or the potential reversal zone and the price action. because we need the retracement. All the legs are driven perfectly as required for the bullish cipher, and the price line can now complete the cipher. Like it can drop from X to C leg. It can be dropped approximately between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level of this rally. It's mean that 61.8 to 78.6% off this rally, and then the price line will complete this final leg and enter in the buying zone that starts from 5 cents and ends up to 3.7 cents. And here we also have a very good support, strong support of 25 simple moving average moving to the upside in this buying zones. So in order to minimize the risk factor, because this buying zone is too wide, we can use this 25 simple moving average as our stop loss, because this buying zone is approximately 31 or 32%. So if we will use the 25 simple moving average, because it is moving to the upside and very strong support, then it can minimize our the ratio of loss, and the price action can have another bounce by this 25 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart. And as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish cipher, the next targets can be from 6 cents to 8.5 cents. However, as usual, you can see that the price line is, after getting bounced by the support, it's forming the higher than the previous high. Therefore, once the price action will again have another bounce, because once the price action will complete this final leg of the bullish cipher, it will move more down. It will also be at the support of this broadening formation as well. And by the way, this support can be also used as a stop loss as well. And I'm expecting that after this bounce, the price line will form another higher than the previous high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, and here you will find a lot more other trading ideas I'm sharing on the daily basis, then you can find the link in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.